Over the past month, we've seen a strong rebound in the markets. But how can you identify entry points close to a market bottom? There are methods. Take the RSI, for example, but it can often produce too many signals or remain negative for extended periods. At TransStock, we prefer our Pakman Strong Green system. This system is based on a negative momentum, volatility, and volume, which results in fewer but more reliable signals compared to standard indicators. At the bottom of the chart, you'll notice a dark gray band. A signal is indicated by a bright green or dark green block, often preceded by a green zone. In this example, there were only 4 green areas, 2 of which were true signals: the lows of December 2018 and April 2025. Keep in mind, you're trading against the quarterly trend, so a continuation of the downtrend remains possible. That's why it's important to define where to exit or place a stop. Here are a few key rules. The lowest price of the past few weeks serves as your stop loss. Give the stock or ETF a few days to 1 week to start moving higher. Exit. The cloud can act as a resistance zone. Exit. Watch for breakdowns below Fibonacci retracement levels. Exit. You can also add a short-term moving average to your chart, such as a 9 days SMA, to be used as a trailing stop. Of course, this strategy also applies to individual stocks. Since stocks are generally more volatile, always act with discipline and use a stop loss. Example: NVDA. March 4. Signal. Step 1. Determine stop loss at the low, $110.11. March 5. Entry. March 10. Stop loss triggered based on closing price. April 7. Signal. Step 1. Determine stop loss at the low, $86.62. April 8. Entry. Ideal scenario: a V-shaped bottom followed by continued upside. More common, a retest of the bottom. If prices move back above the moving average, that average becomes your trailing stop. Currently, the position is still active, with the stop raised to $117.5. In the ever-evolving financial landscape, thorough analysis is essential. Join us each week as we help you navigate the market's complexity with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.